guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. So this video is gonna be super intense. It's the Kylie Cosmetics Mega Swatch video and this is gonna be the matte Mega Swatch video. I will say that this does not include the Kylie Top Shop collaboration. I actually have a separate video for that and it's linked down below, as well as my Velvet's Mega Swatch video is also linked down there, so yeah. As always, there are timestamps in the description below if there's like a specific shade you only wanna look at. I got you. I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing if you're only looking for ginger or something like that. So that's linked down below. All the products that I talk about are linked down below, although some of them were just limited edition, so they're not for sale anymore. But I will include that information there too. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope my lips don't fall off my face at the end of this video. Alright guys, woo! Right now, the first swatch that we're gonna do is Apricot, which is a pale peach. So usually for the light shades, I let myself wait a couple of minutes for it to dry because usually it's a little bit darker than how it looks at first. So that's my tip with these products. Next up we have Dirty Peach, which is a mid-tone yellow peach. Alright, next we have Exposed, which is a warm mid-tone beige. Alright, next up we have Bear, which is a nude pinky beige. Next we have Naked, which is a sandy beige. Alright, next up we have Birthday Suit, which is a nude warm beige. Next up we have Commando, which is a terracotta beige. Alright guys, next is Baby Girl, which is a warm muted coral, and it is from the Koko collection. Next up we have Bunny, which is a cool mid-tone mauve, and this is also from the Koko collection. Next up we have Koko K, which is a pale pink. is my absolute favorite shade, and it has not been permanent yet, but it should be, but it's Angel and it's a mauve pink. My absolute favorite. It came out, I think, last year again for the holiday collection. Whatever you do, if it comes out again, snag it, because this is an amazing shade. I think if I had to predict, I think this will be a permanent shade in the future. Probably next winter time. Please. Next we have Autumn, which is a terracotta rose. Alright, next we have Posie K, which is also a very popular shade and also one of my favorites, and it's a cool mid-tone berry. Next up we have Kristen, which is a warm brown berry. Next up we have 22, which is a vibrant burnt orange. Next I have Pumpkin, which is a dirty mid-tone orange. Next up we have Doll from the Koko collection, and it is a true bright tangerine. Next we have Okurrr, which is a vibrant fuchsia. Next up we have one of my favorites, which is Kylie K, which is a warm pinky nude. Next up we have Khlo Money, which is a cool yellow nude, also from the Koko collection. Next up is Maliboo, a light cool tone nude. Next up is Dolce K, a deep beige nude. Next up we have Moon, a taupey nude. Next up, we have Mary Jo K, which is the True Blue Red. Next we have Mary, which now goes by Boujee, but I have it when it was Mary, and it is a deepened rich red. Next we have Gorg, which is a red burgundy wine, and it's from the Koko collection. Next up we have Ginger, which is a warm terracotta brown. Next up is 20, which is a mid-tone rose brown. Next up, we have Brown Sugar, which is a true yellow brown. Next, we have Love Bite, which is a rich plum brown. Next, we have Head Over Heels, which is a deep plum. Next, it's Blitzen, which have rumors to be very similar to Spice. Now, I don't have Spice anymore, but the last time that I had Spice, I put them to, and honestly, they're like twins. So basically, let's say that this is Blitzen and Spice. And Blitzen is a deepened raspberry plum. Last up, I have Dead of Night, which I saved for last because it's dark AF, and it's an intense true black. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to do it. If this video is informational for you, please like the video. Comment me what your favorite shade is on fair skin. If there's any other videos you'd like to see from me, comment that down below. And subscribe to me if you haven't already. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. Or at least I try to. Bye, guys.